In this video, let's create cubes and spheres with logos. First, start with a new file. Press N for Object Properties. Set dimensions to 0.4 meters. Press numpad 1 for front view. Press G plus Z to move along Z-axis. Hold Control key and drag mouse to align above the red X-axis. Press Command/Control plus A and select location to apply. Apply the scale as well. With the cube selected, click on Material Properties. Click on the yellow dot next to Base Color and select Image Texture. Select a PNG image. Check how it appears in Material Preview. Change the image property from Repeat to Clip. Switch to UV Editing tab. Numpad dot to zoom in. Click on UV menu and select Cube Projection. Check how it appears in Material Preview. In the UV editor on the left, press S to scale and drag the mouse. Adjust the image to your liking. Switch back to the Layout tab. This looks good. Press Shift plus D to duplicate and press the number 1 key. Press Shift plus R to repeat the duplicate and move process. Select the second cube and change the image. You can see the change reflected in all the cubes. We don't want that. Press Command plus Z to undo. Box select all the cubes except the first one. Click on Object menu, Relations, make single user and click on Materials. This breaks the material data link between the objects. Now try changing the image. The change is reflected on only one cube. Now change the image of all the other cubes. If the images appear skewed, you can readjust the UV projection. These are perfect. Press A to select all. Press Shift plus D to duplicate, then Y key and 1 key. Press Click to confirm. With the duplicated cubes selected, press Ctrl/Command plus 4. This adds a subdivision surface modifier. Box select all, Right-click and select Shade Smooth to smooth the surface. Save the file. We'll append these objects in the previously created animation. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.